we take long haul, and as you know him from the G1 Devastator, it's the same transformation. You just take the lower part and 19 degrees down and push it in like so. You have a hole here beneath the front part, and you have the peg here, and this little peg goes between his legs here like this, and you just push it in, and that's it. His abdominals and legs are ready. All we need to do now is to create the shoulders and chest and piece everything together. So to do so, we take hook. We take hook. This is the original G1 hook, of course, with all the metal and everything. To transform him, just pull on his sides like this and take them to the front like that. This knob here you pull so it points out, and we take the chest piece. The chest piece has a hole here and the peg on hook, and you just peg it together. And to hold things better, you need to put this little tab here on hook here, so this will then hold it together stronger. Now there is another problem. Just like before, the hole here is very small and the peg here is larger, so it will not fit without damaging the chest piece. So for that, I'm not using the original one. I am using, this is a knockoff version of hook, but for this purpose it's okay. Before putting the arm, you need to put the head, so it would hold better the two pieces, and you can connect it then to the lower part of Devastator. So I will take my preferred head and you just slide it in. You see here it has this hollow area, and you just slit it here all the way in. This will hold hook together. Then you see the head is in the middle, and to mount it on the lower part of Devastator, you have here this peg and this groove which will go on the roof and on the smokestack like this, as you can see here, and it will go in pretty good, and it will hold in place. There is a nice ratchety sound to his legs, which is very cool. And Devastator is almost ready. Now all that's left is to put the arms on. So we'll take the left arm, put it on this metal knob, like this. And the right arm, you pull down this metal arm and you put it on hook like that. And to complete the look and put the gun, let's just do it like that. like I said, there is this peg and the hole in this fist. You just put it there, and Devastator is ready to make some noise. So this is how you assemble JB-07 Power of Destruction upgrade kit on the Constructicons to make this beautiful Devastator. So it looks good. Articulation on his legs is improved because you can move the legs forward, backwards, and to the side, as you saw before, like this. His knees bend like so. His arms are improved because you get the elbow movement like that. It goes side to side, and the fist is also moving like I showed you before. And his head, of course, can go 360, and it can look up, which makes him look very cool. Now, everything is falling apart not because of the upgrade kit, only because this is a very old toy and all the parts are very old and it's very hard to get them to stay. So as you can see, this is not a kid's toy. It looks good for display, and pretty much that's it. So, one of the problems here is not the fact that this upgrade kit is not good, but the fact that Devastator is a very back heavy dude. Because of the metal parts and the part that long hole is sticking out from the back makes him very back heavy. So it's very hard to level him and make him stand. You need to make him bend a bit and all sorts of stuff. So if you want to make him look standing good, you need to bend him. I don't like it, but that's what it is. Now we're trying to make a quick size comparison. Here he is next to world's smallest Grimlock, which looks pretty good, just like in the movie, the cartoon movie, of course. And if you want a more realistic size, here he is next to Universe Revenge of the Fallen Superion. They look very good one next to the other because they are very proportionate one to the other. Again, he lost his arm because it's very old. They are pretty much the same size, and now we can even stand better. So, do I recommend this upgrade kit? Yes, I do, because it's cheaper than the other upgrade kits. It looks decent, the colors are good, the material is good, and you do get a lot of options. You get a second barrel, you get 2 heads, and all in all the pieces are in good quality. There are some connecting issues, but you can modify them to the level of which parts you do have. I mean, if you have the Japanese Constructicons, Hasbro's, reissue, whatever, you can always modify a bit the holes, the pegs, and everything fits good. And just to conclude things, like I said in the beginning, you can put his gun here for storage on his leg, and it looks good. His arms are pretty strong, I will say that. If you close them, he can close his fist. If he's not losing his arms, that's it. That is. All in all, it looks pretty cool. I like it. I recommend it. And I hope to see you in my next review, guys. This has been Hot Rod ISR from Transformers and Stuff. The Junkion Blacksmith Upgrade Kit, Power of Destruction. And I'll see you in my next review.